Bitcoin will be breaking out anytime soon, and in this exact video I will be talking about this signal, the historical Bitcoin volatility that currently is at historical lows, and of course I will talk about a new trade I yesterday opened on the market and that is already making me more than $3,000. I will exactly give my analysis on this trade. I will give my analysis on all altcoins on the market right now because I personally think they are in huge danger right here. So don't forget to watch this video till the end. I will talk about my price targets, and more importantly I will talk about the most important charts in crypto right now, because this week will be super volatile with in 2 days the inflation data coming up, and that could cause potentially a breakdown of the dollar index. So we've got a lot to discuss, so don't forget to slap up that like button on today's update video. Let's smash it back above 500 and let me jump straight away in towards the content. Once looking at Bitcoin, we can currently still see we're still trading in a sideways consolidation phase, and I will still say it just like I've been saying for the past 18 to 19 days right now here. As long as Bitcoin is not breaking above any of these support or resistance, I remain to be expecting Bitcoin is going to trade sideways. So as soon as we do break outside of this range, you will be the first one to know on the channel. Furthermore, we can currently see that Bitcoin is creating a super important trend line, and you can currently see here on the 4-hourly time frame, Bitcoin is creating a huge rejection from off this downward sloping resistance line, and every single time we touch it we see a big rejection. And also if we're looking at the lower side, there is one gigantic level of big support trading below us, and every single time Bitcoin retests this level we see huge bounces from it back towards the upside. So these two trend lines are about to meet each other anytime soon, and to be exact, we're expecting this breakout is going to occur in the coming 2 days ahead of ourselves, and exactly in 2 days from now on as well we're going to have the US inflation data, so I wouldn't be surprised to see a breakout of this level within the coming 2 days. Of course, as soon as Bitcoin breaks the downtrend, I still think that the top side here is going to be providing resistance, what is in this case the 31.2k, and of course if we do break below the lower side of support we're probably going to be pretty screwed. So yeah, this is what I'm currently looking at for Bitcoin, and I'm expecting a breakout in the coming 2 days ahead of ourselves. If I were to be looking at the price target, of course a price target of a breakdown is going to be bringing Bitcoin all the way down to 28.5k, and a breakout towards the upside would bring Bitcoin all the way back up to 31.5k, basically the range high in the market. Personally, if we do break bullish, my price target is going to be 31.2k, because I do believe that this resistance on the top side is still the level to be watching, so I will be taking my profits already around the low 31,000s. So that is currently what I'm looking at, and Bitcoin could be breaking this pattern within the coming 2 days ahead of ourselves. Furthermore, we can still see Bitcoin is creating a new gigantic consolidation phase, and you can clearly spot the downward sloping trend line right here as well. You can clearly see Bitcoin is just about to be breaking out here, and we just have to wait a little bit longer here before this breakout is going to occur. But of course, if Bitcoin does decide to be breaking the downtrend, I think the top side is a very realistic target for Bitcoin to be looking at. At the same time, yesterday I announced a new short position I was opening, and I opened a short position on Solana, and currently I'm making already more than $3,000 in profit. And I shared this trade yesterday in my Telegram signal group, and basically what I did here is I made some analysis on Solana, and you can see that this level that I shorted was previously around the June high, and we had a significant rally here towards the upside. And to be very clear, from the low of June to the high of July, we've seen a more than 76% surge towards the upside. And personally, I still think that altcoins are not so strong, especially Solana. If you're zooming out here, you can clearly see Solana on the bigger perspective is trading in a huge downtrend here, and we're currently seeing a retest of this downward sloping resistance line right here, and I actually shorted it. And I've right now opened up a short position, and my first price target is $17.5. What is going to be a little bit lower here, what is definitely going to be still significantly lower, but I'm going to hold this trade since I do expect that Solana is not going to hold so strongly here. And of course, if we even break below that level, my next take profit target is around $14 to $15, what is of course significantly lower than the place we're currently trading on. And to be exact, that would mean a drop over 30% towards the downside. So I'm expecting actually big downside for Solana, and that is why I took this trade here. Of course, like everyone do know on the channel, I'm also long on Bitcoin with an approximately $50,000 in profit, and I'm also taking this short right here to hedge my positions. So this short is a very low leverage short position, and due to that I'm basically hedging my positions. I opened this short with my own money with approximately $40,000. I still had another order set up here on the top side to add another $12,000 dollars. So currently my account is $53,000 and I started this account with $50,000. So yeah, we're making some progress on the $50,000 account, and I'm going to show everyone out there on the channel how I'm going to take this account towards $100,000. So this is my first trade I'm taking here. Of course, if Bitcoin breaks down, I'm going to look to open up some new trades on Bitcoin as well. But yeah, I personally think that the Bitcoin dominance is probably still going to increase in its value. Look at the last bear markets. In the last bear markets as well, Bitcoin dominance always significantly increased towards the upside. And personally, I don't see why we couldn't once again see a significant rally for the Bitcoin dominance. And what I expect is that Bitcoin could still pump towards the upside, but really lead the rallies. And if we're looking at Solana has also not really got the most strongest tokenomics. And basically ever since January 2023, basically Bitcoin had a significant rally towards the upside. In the beginning, Solana took the rally as well, but after that, it only dumped towards the downside more than 55% here. So I think that Solana is pretty risky at this point to be holding. But what I will be saying to everyone out there who's interested in trading altcoins, I think that buying altcoins is a good time once Bitcoin breaks its all-time high. Because also look at when Bitcoin dominance started to be decreasing, it started to be happening as soon as Bitcoin broke its all-time high in November. So from this point, Bitcoin broke its all-time high, and then we started to see the Bitcoin dominance drop here. So please wait a little bit longer before aping in towards altcoins. So if you like to have a low risk strategy, the best time to be buying into altcoins is of course once Bitcoin breaks its all-time high. If you want to be opening up a free trade, you can also do so right now here, because you can currently claim a free $1,000 Bitcoin or XRP position. All you need to do here is go to the link description, sign up a new account using the link above, deposit $100 within 7 days, and enjoy your free $1,000. Furthermore, we can currently see that the Bitcoin historical volatility is right now entering historical lows here. You can see that currently in the Bollinger Bands width, we are at the same lows as January 2023. And of course, we all know what happened after January 2023. The Bitcoin price action was so boring and squeezed up that it had a significant rally towards the upside with over 50% in just a matter of a few days here. So Bitcoin is once again getting ready for a huge amount of volatility. You can see it right now on the right side here of your screen. The Bollinger Bands is squeezing up, and also the Bollinger Bands width is indicating Bitcoin has been so boring and that it is right now about to get explosive. Whether it's going to be up or down, one thing is for sure, the volatility is about to be picking up soon again. So get ready for that, and I will be paying my attention definitely towards the volatility that's going to pick up anytime soon. And of course, like you do know, if we do break above resistance on the top side, we're expecting Bitcoin is going to go up to $37,000. And if we see a rejection, the price target on the lower side is $25,000. Of course, on the bigger perspective, we're still creating a potential rising wedge. So I will be monitoring closely this resistance level on the top side. And at the same time, guys, if you are really into making money here, the CryptoC trading strategy has been doing absolutely amazing. We're right now live for an approximately year, and you can see what kind of results we've been creating here for CryptoC. I mean, ever since Bitcoin had a significant bear market, lost its value, CryptoC is consistently making profit and making money. And the nice part about this is that this is a complete AI bot, so you don't have to do anything for it. The trading algorithm will do literally all the trades for you, and there's something huge coming up anytime soon, and everything is going to get changed up here. So the prices are also going to get changed anytime soon, so make sure to be quick. This is not a sales pitch or whatsoever, but we literally got limited spots available for the people that can use our bots, since yes, we can't deploy millions and millions of dollars with all the traders that we have at the same time, and there's just a limited amount of spots available. So if you're interested in this AI trading strategy that is literally trading for you completely automatic, go to cryptoc.com or go to the link in the description and click on CryptoC. But this is definitely one of the most valuable products out there on the market, and yes, we're completely transparent with the results, and you can clearly read that the results are speaking for themselves. So check it out right now on cryptoc.com. Furthermore, we can see that Bitcoin is of course running in towards the most important resistance, and the question really remains, when are we going to be breaking above that $31,000? As soon as we do break above that, I personally think the bull market for Bitcoin is going to get reinitiated. And of course, in a few days, we're going to have the core and regular inflation in the US, and once those data is going to hit the market, probably we're going to see more volatility across the dollar index and across Bitcoin. So make sure to be a little bit patient for that, but there's probably a lot of volatility going to be happening today. And of course, that with the Bollinger Bands lining up to be super low in volatility, it makes up for a perfect ingredient and for a perfect week for Bitcoin. So make sure to get ready. But that was it for me on today's update video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.